Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Channel, and now we will target Pgcil exam 2023, which is great opportunity for all the diploma candidates to get into this Maharatna. So now in this video I will discuss what is your exam pattern and how you can prepare for this exam and crack Pgcil exam 2023. Before that, form last date is 31st of December. Okay, so just fill the form carefully, and if you have any query in form filling, you can comment down below. Definitely I will help you as always, right? Okay, now to my Apna students, those who are connected to this channel, we have three opportunities currently. We have NPCL NPCL stipend trainee opportunity we have. Then Pgcil we have. So combinedly these two you can target. Yes, it is possible to target these two exams. So I will recommend you to fill form for NPCL Kakrapar also, Narora also, and Pgcil also, right? Along with that, now those who clear DRDO Tier 2, you have DRDO Tier 2 exam. Okay, DRDO Tier 2 exam. But again, now here what I will recommend you guys, obviously I made the DRDO Tier 2 also preparation strategy. If you will not get on this channel, just comment down below, I will send you the link, right? Now, those who are appearing for DRDO Tier 2, if you crack DRDO Tier 1, congrats for that. So I will recommend you to just focus on DRDO Tier 2 only. No need to fill NPCL and Pgcil, because it is very important to get selection in DRDO Tier 2, right? I hope it is clear. NPCL and Pgcil, we can target both combinedly, but DRDO Tier 2, okay, just separate preparation is required for that, because here we have non-technical portion which is not there in DRDO T2. Okay, so just remember always this thing. Again, regarding this, if you want any other guidance, personal guidance, then you can DM me on Instagram. Definitely I will happy to help you, right? Now let's come back to our Pgcil exam 2023. Before that, if you are a diploma student and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel to get updates also and guidance also. And here on this channel we provided consistent selection in PSUs and central government. So yes, if you are targeting government job in 2023, then this is the most authentic channel on YouTube you can ever find. So exam pattern is your technical section. Okay, there are two sections. First, technical. In technical we have 120 questions. So from technical you will get 120 questions for 120 marks. Correct? Then second section is there, in which we will get non-technical portion, and in non-technical we need to learn aptitude, reasoning and English. These three subjects we need to learn in your non-technical. And mixed question they will ask you, and total questions will be 50 questions for 50 marks. So yes, positive marking is 1 mark, and yes, there is negative marking, that is 0.25. okay, so 1/4, that is 0.25 is the negative marking. Just remember this and note down about exam pattern, because before going to preparation, your exam pattern you should know perfectly, right? So total 170 questions you will get for 170 marks. And to attempt this 170 question, you will get 120 minutes. Okay, so yes, in 2 hours only, in 120 minutes only, we need to attempt 170 question, which is definitely challenging. But no need to worry, because I am here. So I will guide you properly that how you can achieve this thing and how you can get into Pgcil, right? Before that, if you didn't saw the Pgcil podcast, engineer, but definitely you will get lots of things regarding Pgcil. You will learn that what Pgcil do, what is the work going on in Pgcil. Okay, lots of things are there. In the comment section, I will pin you the link of podcast. Just watch that Pgcil podcast compulsory after this video, right? Yes. Now again, we will come back to our exam pattern. So there is a sectional cutoff. Okay, sectional cutoff is there, which is, I can say, basic cutoff. Now see, our target is to get selection, right? And to get the selection, we need to come into the merit list, and we will come into the merit list by clearing the final cutoff, not your basic cutoff. Okay, so obviously this is not concern for us, but still I will give you the information that for UR and EWS category, okay, it is 30% minimum marks you should have in both the sections. That is, if in 120 in technical, out of 120 compulsory you should have 40 questions. Sorry, not 40, 36 question correct. Okay, and out of this 50 you should have 15 question correct for UR and EWS. Now for other category like ST, PWD, okay, and OBC, your minimum percentage criteria is 25% only. Okay, so 25% you should have here. Means if you are 120, then 30 marks you should have, and if out of 50 you should have 12.5. okay, just 25%, 1/4, just do the 1/4 and that's it, you will get the things. Okay, so this is the basic cutoff. Obviously it is not concerned for us, because our target is to get selection, simple, right? So I hope everything regarding your exam pattern is clear now, because now we are moving to our strategy video. Okay, now those who are new to the channel, for them, what is our phase wise strategy? Okay, so basically your whole preparation journey towards Pgcil I divided into several phases. in which you will get particular target, and just your job is to complete those target, so that you will be on the right track. Okay, you will get proper guidance time to time, which is required to get into the selection or to get into the PGCL or any other competitive exam, right? So this is the advantage of our phase wise strategy. Now this is the phase 1, of which period is 10 days, means from today. Okay, from today, what is the date of today? It is 20 December. Okay, so 20 December to 29th of December, this is the period of your phase 1. So whatever chapter, whatever subject I will mention now in the further video, that you need to cover under this phase. Okay, so just your target is to complete these things in this phase only. Now it will okay if you take additional 3 to 4 days because of some reason, suppose some personal reason, some family functions are there, because in December lots of marriages are there, right? This is the month of marriages. So basically because of that, it's okay to just stretch it to +3 or +4 days, but not more than this. Okay, and it is not like if you are you will just skip the things and you will do the thing. Okay, it is not like that. Compulsory, you need to try to complete this thing, that syllabus, in 20 December to 20th December, and suppose for unavoided reason, if it postponed by 1 to 2 days, it will be okay. No need to take tension. Okay. Second thing, the most important thing is phase 1, we will target now basic subjects or basic chapter. Okay, which is most important for you, because your base should be clear and you should be confident in the base, right? So it is not like in hurry you will complete the things and you will just mug up the things and you will go ahead. No, just give proper time to each and everything, whether it is aptitude, reasoning, technical. Okay, understand each and everything, make your notes. Okay, make your proper notes, and then you can move ahead chapter by chapter. Okay, I hope these 2 guidelines are very important for your phase 1 to understand. And now we will start our phase wise strategy. Okay, so first we will discuss about non-technical, which is common for all branches, and then we will move to your technical portion. Okay, now see, first subject is reasoning. Now we don't know, we don't have any idea that from reasoning how much question they will ask. Okay, they may ask 20 also, 30 also, 15 also, 10 also, 5 also. It's completely dependent on Powergrid, and we are comfortable with that. Okay, whatever question they will ask, we are comfortable. Now here what we will do, basically this is the whole syllabus of your reasoning. Okay, I divided into your 3 parts, majorly 4 I can say, but for diploma, okay, you can skip this miscellaneous, obviously it's not required. So A is verbal reasoning, B is non-verbal, and C is analytical reasoning, right? Now in phase 1, basically what chapters we will target. So, okay, so first chapter we will target in phase 1, that is your direction test. Okay, just make note down. Second chapter we will target in your phase 1, that is blood relation, right? That is blood relation. Then in your phase 1 by default chapter that we will side by side we will do, that is your coding decoding, first thing. Okay, then second one, where is second one? Analogy. Third one is classification, and fourth one is number series. I guess I wrote number series in your aptitude part, so I will cover that. Okay, so these are the 3 chapters we will side by side do. Okay, now how you can do this, from which material you can do, let's discuss that. Okay, now there are 2 categories of reasoning I made. In first category we have blood relation direction test, which is the main chapter, and for that just you can use R.S. Agrawal book. Okay, so from that you can cover the things, the 2 chapters definitely. Now daily Telegram PDF. Now those who are new to the channel, in the description you will get the Telegram channel link. Okay, before that just subscribe to the channel, because this is most important channel if you want selection in 2023, because consistently we are giving selections in PSU and central government. Okay, so do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. After that, in the description you will get Telegram channel, join Telegram channel, and there you can see daily Telegram PDF. Okay, now one PDF you are getting for reasoning daily. Now basically see the 3 chapters I told you, na, analogy, classification, and then you are what is this, coding decoding. So those questions you will practice from here. Okay, because in these 3 chapters basically we played with logics. Number of logics are there, different logics are there. So whenever you will, it is not like means only one time you need to read and then you will finish with chapter. No, frequent practice is required. Okay, frequent practice till your exam is required. So for that basically what we are doing, daily reasoning PDF you will get, from that you will solve the questions. Simple, just you need to solve the questions, and whenever you will get new logics, just make proper note, separate note, and you will write those logic which are new to you, which is you think that okay, in exam hall it is not possible to crack me, so just write down, and before your exam you will revise it. Yes, okay, you will revise all the logics. This exercise compulsory you have to follow if you want to get into Pgcil. Okay, that is compulsory. Then Q box. Now our success pack is there. In success pack you will get Q box through which you will practice the questions of exam level. Okay, but before that your foundation you can build through RS Agrawal book, right? So Q box is there in your success pack, and success pack announcement I will make soon. Don't need to worry for that. Okay, and so success pack will be there soon. In that mock test, everything guidance, my guidance is there through which lots of candidates made it to the government jobs. So that will be available in that. Okay, no need to worry. But first now, what is the target now for phase 1 is to improve your base, is to improve your confidence, and that you will get through our these things, right? I hope it is clear all of the purpose, that 4 things are there and how you will use that. Okay, now those who already appeared for exams and those who already complete the syllabus, directly you can solve the questions from Q box. No need to worry for you, no need to complete the books for that. Directly just blast the Q box. Lots of questions are there, practice it continuously. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I guess this is for reasoning, done with reasoning. Okay, this is a repeat thing. Yeah, main thing is level, what level you can expect for Powergrid, right? That is the important thing. Okay, so level, basically it will be easy to moderate only. 80% easy, 20% moderate. Okay, now in 20% moderate, sir, what questions we can expect from which topic? So suppose there is coding decoding question. Okay, there is analogy question, there is classification question. So it may possible that here they can ask any random logic which is not possible for you to crack during those hours, because obviously time is less. We have only 120 minutes, right? So during those time, basically some logics are there in exam which is not those who are sitting for Powergrid. Okay, any student cannot crack this logic. So same thing I can say that 20% moderate for that part. Okay, otherwise your blood direction test you will get easy question only. There is no problem in that. Target. Now suppose out of 50, okay, if you are getting 20 questions, for our convenience, basically we will assume for aptitude we will get 20 questions, from reasoning we will get 20 questions, and from English we will get 10 questions. Okay, so 50 questions combinedly. We are assuming throughout the journey towards Pgcil this thing only. So out of 20, easily you can make 16 to 18. Okay, and if you are able to crack this logic, then definitely it can be 20 also. Yes, it is possible. Okay, so it is not like you cannot solve full marks. You can get full marks in this exam. Okay, no need to worry for that, but just prepare well. That is the only thing, and just follow the things, guidelines, whatever I am giving you in the strategy video. So this is the reasoning part. I hope it is clear now. If you have any query, then definitely again rewind it. If still you are getting query, then you can ask me in the comment section. Let's move to the aptitude part. Now in aptitude, basically this is the whole syllabus we have for your aptitude part, right? Now out of this, in phase 1, basically we are targeting first very important chapter, that is percentage, first chapter. Second, ratio and proportion, and third, that is your number systems. Yes, so these 3 chapters we will target in phase 1. Okay, because this is the basic chapter of aptitude, and in lots of other chapters definitely the knowledge of percentage, ratio, sometime number system is required. So it's better to clear with the aptitude with this chapter. Okay, so just note it down. Now from what resources you can complete these 3 chapters? So yes, RS Agrawal is there, that is the best. From this only you can cover the things. Okay, no need to worry for that. Then daily telegram PDF you are getting for aptitude. Okay, daily telegram aptitude PDF you are getting. So from that you can practice these 3 chapters questions. Just side by side percentage. If you complete with percentage, then out of suppose 10 questions are there in your daily telegram PDF and 2 questions are from percentage, then those questions you need to solve by yourself, right? Then your Q box is there which you will get in your success pack. No need to worry for that. Whenever you will get Q box, lots of questions are there for practice, dedicated practice I can say. And success pack mock test will be there, full length mock test are there. So from that also you can finish your syllabus, right? So this is the thing for your aptitude part. Now what level you can expect here? So basically again I can say easy to moderate, and same thing that 80% easy and 20% moderate part will be there. Okay, now in moderate part basically you may face difficulty while solving profit loss questions and other questions that I will discuss time to time. For now our target is to complete percentage, ratio and your number system. Okay, and from that definitely easy questions they will ask you and you can score good marks. Now suppose if they ask 20 questions, then out of 20 how much we can score, sir? So yes, you can score 15 above marks easily in aptitude if your aptitude is very good, and if your speed is there, then you can easily score 15 mark. Okay, above 15 you will get. It is possible. Yes, it is possible, right? So this is for aptitude. And the last thing that is we have in your English. So basically now for Powergrid we have syllabus of English. Okay, majorly we will focus on grammar part and synonym, antonym, idiom and phrases part. Okay, close state, comprehension and parajumbles, possibility is less that they will ask this question. So for now we will just keep it in option. First we will strong our grammar part, and first we will try to cover all the synonym, antonym and idiom phrases. Okay, so for phase 1 we will start with only grammar part. Now basically those who don't know about English, what is grammar part? So whenever you will complete all the grammar rules, the necessary rules, then you are able to solve the questions from your this error detection, error correction, sentence improvement, okay, then voices, speeches, etc. Lots of things you can cover here, right? Then synonym, antonym, idiom and phrases and spell check is there. So that thing definitely you can cover via our Telegram PDF and Q box. Okay, so basically for English, Telegram PDF you will use only to cover synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases and spelling check questions, and also Q box, those who have in success pack, you will also use the same. Okay, again for grammar part, now any book you can use in your success pack. I give you English ebook, from that you can cover the English all the grammar rules at one time. Okay, so that book you will get in your success pack whenever I will make the announcement. Also mock test will be there. From mock test also you can practice the questions, right? So this is the perfect strategy for your English part, and with this we are completing your non-technical portion, which is common for all the branches. Okay, level again it will be easy, and I can say moderate. Moderate for what? Your synonym, antonym part, because obviously lots of words are there, lots of things are there. We will put 100% in that, but for some reason, suppose there, if some luck is also required, right? So if there is no luck, and if suppose you are getting the words which is unknown to you, directly you need to skip, because negative marking is here. Okay, you can't attempt all the questions. So moderate part is for those. Baki for easy, it will be easy for your grammar and everything, right? Target, if they ask 10 questions, then definitely out above 5 you can attempt. If you know the synonym, antonym part, then above 8 also you can go, no problem in that, right? Okay, now we will discuss about your technical part. So in technical, basically now above, below, in front of you, you can see timestamp. Okay, if you are from electrical, you can go to electrical page. If you are from EC, you can go for EC page. Okay, but before that, few guidelines which are common to all of you. See, first thing, to prepare for Powergrid, basically, okay, one book is there, that is JB Gupta. JB Gupta. That book is required, and from this book you can practice the MCQ, both electrical and EC student. Okay, for EC, electronics communication, few chapters are there which are not in JB Gupta, but no need to worry, because our mock tests are there. From that mock test you will cover the things. Okay, so JB Gupta book is needed. You can get PDF online, or you can just purchase that book from bookstore or Amazon, right? Second thing, your diploma books, whatever diploma books you referred, okay, that diploma books will help you to get the theory part, to get the concepts clear. Because first thing is that we need to read all the theory part, because for Pgcil definitely lots of questions are theory only. Out of 120, I can say 80% will be theory, okay, or 90% will be theory, and 10% only you will get numerical. That is also basic numerical, but 90% questions will be theory and basic theory questions. If you see previous year also, lots of basic questions they ask, right? So from that also you can cover the things. So important thing is that read your diploma books. No need for any notes or anything. Okay, no online lectures, nothing. Just your diploma books you can cover. Third thing, which is very much important, that is our mock test, success pack mock test, through which we made lots of selections. So yes, whenever mock test will be available, you need to give that, and from mock test also lots of things you will learn. Lots of new things you will learn from mock test, theory and numerical wise. And fourth thing, which is our most powerful part of our success pack, that is your quick revision ebook. Yes, quick revision ebook for electrical and EC. So in this, basically you can read or you can revise whole electrical engineering and whole electronics communication engineering. Okay, at one place you will get everything. So sir, you will directly tell me, sir, why need to read all the things? Directly give me ebook and just we will finish the syllabus. See, basically our target is merit list. Understand this thing. See, I can directly give you this ebook, and from this ebook also, if you cover each and everything, then out of this 120, you can easily score 90 above marks in technical. Easily, no need to worry for that. Okay, but our target is to get into the merit list, and to get into the merit list, we need to beat the cutoff, final cutoff, right? And final cutoff, it may be little higher than this. Suppose it will be 100 or it will be 105. Then to fill this gap, to fill this 10 to 12 marks gap, you need to learn little bit differently or little bit in depth. Depth means what? You have to cover the theory or you have to cover the JB Gupta MCQs. Just MCQ you can do. Okay. After that, definitely in mock test, lots of question will be there, and the same question or concept you will get in your exam. There is no problem in that, right? And then quick revision ebook. So combination of these four will give you selection and will give you maximum marks in your technical section. Okay. I hope you understand the things that how you will use this, and it is common for electrical also and EC also. Okay. For both you guys, it is common. Second thing, whenever you will read something, just make your short notes. Okay, suppose a KVL concept is there. So what is KVL? First thing, full form. Okay, what is the full form of KVL? You will write Kirchhoff voltage law. Then one statement, that what is the statement of Kirchhoff voltage law, right? That you will write. Then suppose some example is there, you will just write that, okay, how to find voltage across the resistor. So basic thing in 3 to 4 lines. Okay, the same thing you will get in quick revision ebook, and from this ebook also you will get idea that how to make short notes. Because all the key points like KVL we can't apply at variable temperature, temperature should be fixed. Okay, all this very critical point which is unknown to lots of aspirant are covered in your quick revision ebook. Okay, so everything is there, no need to worry. But main thing is that our phase-wise strategy is the foundation of all these things. Okay, we are going step by step. See, till now we give consistent selection. Why? Because the aspirant who are very serious to get the job, they are following step by step approach of Apna government job. Okay, like first thing is strategy, then your success pack. In success pack also I make you guidance that how to attempt paper, because without guidance definitely there is no selection, right? Guidance is most important, mentor is most important. So all the things I am giving on this platform, so it's very important to subscribe to it, okay, to get all the updates, right? So now we will discuss the phase 1 subjects for your respective branch. So just click on that and go to there. Before that, a quick reminder to like the video, because definitely lots of hard work I put for you guys, so it's better to just one like. Okay, so now first we will discuss for electronics engineering, right? So for electronics engineering, basically the first subject we will take in phase 1 is your electric circuit and circuit theory. Okay, electric circuits and circuit theory. So under this subject, now what are the things you to study? So first is basic concept. What is resistance, inductance, capacitance? Okay, what is power, what is energy? Basic thing you will cover. Then what is current, voltage, their units, source in transformation, star delta transformation, delta to star transformation. Okay, KVL, KCL examples. Basic thing you to cover. Then network theorems are there. Lots of network theorems are there. Different theorems are there by which we can also simplify the circuit. Okay, so that thing also you can cover. Then magnetic circuit. This topic is very much important and skipped by lots of candidates. Okay, so just do magnetic circuit in your quick revision ebook also. You will get the things. Then AC fundamentals is there. So these 80 fundamentals under which you have to learn these things. Okay, just you can take the screenshot or you can make your notes. Okay. Second, two-port network, then graph theory and time domain and frequency domain analysis. Here we basically focus on your transient analysis, your Laplace transform, etc. Okay, then force and free response that we will do. Okay, so this is all about your first subject. Then second subject, which is your control systems. Yes, so in control system, basically basic things are required. First, what is control system, what is open loop system, what is closed loop system. Okay, then signal flow graph, there this thing, your block diagram reduction is there. Okay, the next thing is your transient and steady state analysis and time response parameters. Then tools and techniques for LTS system, like your root service criteria, root locus is there. Okay, then your frequency domain analysis criteria is there, that is Bode plot, Nyquist plot, polar plot, and last compensators are there and controllers are there. Okay, these are the 5-6 chapters are important in your control system. Then the next thing, that is communication you will do. So in communication, analog modulation, pulse analog modulation, PCM delta modulation, digital modulation you will do. Then the next thing is spread spectrum modulation, okay, SS modulation. Under that you can see the topics. Then digital communication. So I just divided your communication part, first analog and then digital communication. In digital communication, PAM, PCM, okay, then you can see DDM hierarchy, etc. Sampling, what is sampling, etc. Quantization noise for DM, ADM, what is ADM, PCM, DPCM, okay. Then your baseband transmission, ISI, Nyquist criteria for 0 ISI. Then comparison of baseband and bit rate for digital modulation schemes, COM, MSK, OAK, BPSK, coherent, non-coherent, okay. And the last thing that you will do, that is coding and decoding, okay, or I can say information theory, that is SIM. So information theory, your entropy, what is entropy, okay, then your convolution codes, decoding, etc. All the things you will do, capacity theorem you will do, right? So this is the syllabus for your phase 1. Now just gather the resources and start your preparation. If you have any query, any doubt, you can comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel, like the video, and join our Telegram channel, which is most important. Again, you can join our WhatsApp channel also, WhatsApp group also, to get all the updates related to government job and preparation strategies. All the best. Next thing is electrical engineering. So for electrical engineering, basically now first chapter is your electric circuits and circuit theory. Okay, this is the first subject, and under which what chapters you need to study. That is basics of resistance, inductance, capacitance. Okay, same for as electronics. Then network theorems are there, various network theorems are there. Magnetic circuit, under which you need to study this much topics. Okay, all the topics are listed for you guys, so just take the screenshot and you can make the notes also. Then the next chapter is AC fundamentals, very important chapter, AC fundamentals. Okay, lots of things are there, and just cover this chapter very well, because compulsory you should have the knowledge of AC fundamentals if you are going into power Pgcil, that is power grid, right? Next thing is your three-phase circuits. So yes, you will study three-phase circuit, phasor and complex representation of three-phase. Okay, then neutral, shift in, unbalanced load, three-phase. Two-port network also you will study. So this is already your first chapter. Second chapter or second subject we will do, that is electric machines, and in electric machine we will focus on DC machine and transformers. Okay, so under DC machine you will do DC generators, that is important. So DC generator part you will do every basic detail regarding that. Then DC motor also you will do. Then single phase transformer you will do. Okay, then the next thing, that is your three-phase transformers and special purpose transformers. So these are the chapters you need to study for your electric machine part 1. Then electric machine part 2, which is the third and final chapter or final subject of your phase 1. Okay, you need to study three-phase induction motor. Okay, under that just you can just take the screenshot. Then single phase induction motor, then three-phase alternator, then synchronous motor, and last, that is your FHP motor, that is fractional horsepower motors. So this much syllabus is important for you in your phase 1. I hope you get the things. I hope you got the guidelines. If you not, then again rewind this video, save this video, because it is most important for you. And for the next 10 days, I want your full dedication and full awareness regarding your preparation. Okay, so just be motivated. If you feel anything, if you have any query, any doubt, you can just reach out to me on Instagram, on Telegram, on application also, right? So all the best for this phase 1, and I will meet you in phase 2. All the best.